Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. After the extreme sell-off, Stellar is exactly bounced from the support of this very big falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, but there is bad news as well because it has broken down the support of this descending triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that previously we had a very big breakout from this long-term down channel back in 2020, and after the breakout we had a very big pump. By the way, if I place this measurement tool, then you can see that was around 3000% pump from this low to this high, and after the breakout that was more than or around 1200% pump after the breakout. Same as like this previous move, it has formed another bullish bias pattern, and this time it has formed the falling wedge pattern, and you can see that the movement is getting more and more squeezed, and now there are chances that soon it will break out this pattern as well. Recently it was trying to break out, but after the extreme sell-off, the price and again moved down, and exactly from this support of the wedge, you can see, if I switch to the daily time frame chart, then you can see exactly from this support of the triangle, this falling wedge pattern, the price line is bounced, and now it is struggling to break this key resistance of 10 cents, because previously this 10 cents was working as a very long-term support for the price, and you can see this support was not broken down since after November 2020. So this was almost a 2-year-long support, but finally we have broken it down on the daily time frame chart. But this is a very long-term support, therefore we need to watch out for the closing on the weekly time frame chart. If it will be closed, the candlestick will be closed on the weekly time frame chart, then the situation can be really very critical. But so far it is closed on the daily time frame chart below this support of 10 cents. If I switch to the daily time frame chart, then you can see now it is breaking at the resistance, and the price line is struggling to break it out again. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then this was the support of 10 cents. That was also the support of a descending triangle as well, and here we had the resistance of this descending triangle on this daily time frame chart. And now the price line has broken down the support of this triangle. If we take a look at the target after the breakout to the downside, then the target to the downside can be, as per this triangle, can be at 6.6 cents, and on the long term we can see at 6.5 cents we have a long-term support as well. And this 6.5 cents has been breaking. Let me switch to the weekly time frame chart, then I can show you that this 6.6 cents has been breaking as a support here back in Feb 2019, and as a resistance here back in June 2017, and as a support here in August 2020 as well. But so far the price line did not break down the support of the wedge. In order to reach the support of 6.5 cents, we need to break down the support of the wedge as well, or it is also possible that the price line will continue its move to the downside inside this wedge and test the support of 6.5 cents. Now in order to recover from this critical situation, we need to break out this 10 cents resistance on the daily time frame chart. Then there will be a probability that soon it will make another attempt to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. But one thing is very obvious and very clear, that it cannot start a big move from here unless it will not break out this resistance, this downtrend line, long-term downtrend line resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Like you can see previously it was moving down and down, and again it was getting rejected, but once it broke it out, we had a very nice pump. And once it will be able to break out this next resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then we can expect another pump. And by the way, the final target, once the price line will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 80 cents, from 75 cents to 80 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.